they're being very, very quiet. They have on headphones. I can't see it. What is it? Oh, it's Love Song by Tesla. I was just saying in the car how much I can't stand 80s rock love anthems. They're not talking because they have their headphones on, and they know they'll talk loud on the plane. We're on our way to San Antonio. Whee! Okay.